Do you want to control DC motor speed and bulb brightness with just a few components and no complicated IC? In this video, I'll show you an amazing MOSFET-based speed controller that works smoothly from 4 to 24 volts. So let's get started. For this project, you only need a few simple components. One Z44N MOSFET, one 105J capacitor, which is 1 microfarad, rated at 250 volts, one 3.3 mega ohm quarter-watt resistor, 2 push buttons, and a DC power supply from 4 volts to 24 volts. First, let's understand the MOSFET pin connections. On the Z44N MOSFET, the left pin is the gate, the middle pin is the drain, and the right pin is the source. Circuit connections. Step by step. Now let's connect the circuit. First, take the 105J capacitor and connect it between the gate and drain of the MOSFET. Next, take the first push button. Connect one side of this push button to the source pin of the MOSFET. Now take the 3.3 mega ohm resistor, connect one side to the gate pin, and the other side to the second terminal of the first push button. After that, take the second push button. Connect one side of this push button to the same point where the resistor and first push button are connected. Now connect the power supply. Connect the positive terminal of the battery or power supply to the second terminal of the second push button. Connect the negative terminal directly to the source pin of the MOSFET, output connection. The output negative is taken from the MOSFET drain, and the positive output is taken directly from the battery. In my case, I'm using a 12-volt battery and a 12-volt DC motor for testing, but you can use any voltage from 4 to 24 volts. Testing the circuit. I have connected a DC motor to the output and also connected a multimeter to measure the voltage. When I press push button number 1, the voltage decreases and you can see the motor speed going down. When I press push button number 2, the voltage increases smoothly and the motor speed slowly increases. You can clearly see the voltage rising on the multimeter screen and the motor accelerating smoothly. How the circuit works. This circuit works using the charging and discharging of the capacitor through the high-value resistor, which controls the MOSFET gate voltage. When you press the push buttons, the gate voltage changes gradually, so the MOSFET turns on and off smoothly. This results in a smooth increase or decrease in motor speed or bulb brightness, instead of sudden jumps. Important tip. If you want to connect a high-power motor or bulb, don't forget to use a heatsink on the MOSFET because it can get hot under heavy load. Button control behavior. If you press the button a little, the voltage changes a little. If you press it for a longer time, the voltage goes up and down smoothly and quickly. This makes it perfect for fine speed or brightness control. If you like this simple and useful project, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want a PCB design or schematic diagram. Share this video with your friends who love electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.